Hey everybody, Thelindabradley from Princess House. I come to you tonight with one of the best specials that I have going on. This is one of my layaway bundles that people are going gaga for. I've included two of the most popular items that we have because why not? Number one, our high power blender has been the #1 selling item in our catalog for 4 years straight. Here's a little secret a lot of people don't know. Princess House sells more blenders than Walmart every year. It's quite amazing. So this workhorse will help you in your kitchen in so many ways. When you're making sauces and blends, it's just amazing. You can pour whole vegetables or whole fruits in here and it just pulverizes them. It has a 68-ounce container, holds lots of product for you, and 6 stainless steel blades at the bottom. It has 3 pre-programmed buttons. One is for dips and spreads. You can make homemade hummus, homemade salsa. I've done all of that. You can also have one in here for hot soup. You can make hot soup in 7 minutes. I've done tomato basil soup and broccoli creamy cheddar soup. Really cool. And then the last one, of course, is for smoothies, and that's what everybody's trying to get healthy. You can put all of your smoothie goods in here. It also has a special adjustable blender, so you can do whatever, numbers that you want. It goes 1 to 10 and you can do whatever you want. So love, love, love this item. Use it all the time and enjoy it. All right, next up though is a very special item, and this is a package with these 2 pieces. This is our 32 quart Tamalera. It is a big item. I am 5'9". This baby is big. So what's nice about it is you can use it for many, many things. Now, it's big, 32 quarts. So you can use this if you want to have a seafood boil. You can use this if you want to make a huge thing of meatballs. Some of you do canning. It's great for that. Also for soups, stews, chili. But look, this has an insert. It's hard when I hold it like that. It doesn't work so well. But it has an insert, a divider. Let me see if I can hold it better for you. And it's especially made for tamales. So you can use it for 4 different flavors of tamales. Can you see it? And then you can put them all together. So it does come out, the divider comes out. You don't have to use it if you don't want to. And then also inside there is a great steamer rack. All right, so here's the big pot all by itself. So this is a very unusual pot. We don't normally have it in the collection. This is only available for a very short time. And in fact, the company has already told us that it is outselling all the expectations by double. So here's the deal. I'm also going to send you the powder cleaner to keep your stainless steel clean. Reach out to me, thelindabradley@gmail.com. I am going to give you a super deal on this. You can get both the 32 quart Tamalera and the high power blender and the cleaner. Normally, this would cost you almost $1,200. Your total amount is going to be $578, including tax, including shipping. You can either pay it in full, Visa, MasterCard, Discover, or Zelle, or you can make 8 easy payments of $72.25. I will recommend that if you possibly can pay in full, please do it. Because of this being such a heavily sought after item, the company is worried that it's going to go on back order. And I know you want this for the holidays. So just reach out to me, thelindabradley@gmail.com, and I will be able to give you both the high power blender and the 32 quart Tamalera with the stainless steel cleaner for just $578, including tax, including shipping. You will not beat that deal. All right, I will wait to hear from you.